Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of free VST plugins for music production you may like. My name is Coinex and you're welcome to Coinex the Producer. I've got 7 incredible free plugins on today's list, and the first plugin we'll be checking out is Back of Dog Version Tre by Buzz Digital Labs. As you can see on the screen, this is a free audio plugin that cleans up low-end frequencies and adds a controlled bass boost with 3 processing modes, which is classic, passive, and combo. Over to the left here, you can see an analog button to toggle on and off. Below you can see the knob to set desired frequency you want to either increase or reduce, the knob to increase that set velocity, and lastly you can see the global gain knob. So let's put it to work and hear it in action. ACO8 by Magor. This is a library that runs in Contact that delivers an acoustic take on the iconic Roland 808, featuring authentic 808 samples from deep, organic beats. So let's hear it in action. Next plugin is Cactus. Cactus is a distortion plugin where you can draw your own distortion curve, offering simple controls and creative flexibility for shaping your sound. As you can see on the screen, this plugin has a light version and also a paid version, and unfortunately there are few features that we cannot access under the light version. But apart from that, every other thing works, like the drive, the mix, and the gain knob. But if you hover your mouse over here, you can see it is locked, right? And under the volume section, it is also activated, and it came with some factory presets. As you can see under the free section, you can see all these ones are available for free, whereas these other ones you need to pay to access them. So let's put it to work and hear it in action. Here we have A1 Prime Delay, a delay plugin that redefines the effects with a Novasoft transient engine and tape-like stereo modulation, all in an easy-to-use interface. Let's check it out. Alright, the next plugin on today's list is DX100 Factory Sets. This is a free preset pack that converts the original Yamaha DX100's factory sounds for use in Arturia DX7V, preserving its vintage FM character. Alright, for you to use this preset pack, all you need to do is to make sure you have Arturia player running on your system, then launch it, come over to this section here, click on that, head over to import, go to the location where you dropped that preset pack, load it up, allow it to process, and once you're done, if you come over to this section here, as you can see, the preset is already there. Alright, so click on it and choose whichever factory preset you want to try out. So let's put it to work and hear it in action. Alright guys, that is much we can take for the demonstration, but as you can see, the list goes on and on and on. It is a lot. So take your time, go through it, and don't forget to come and share your findings in the comments. And that takes us to the next plugin on today's list. Attractor. This is a dynamic processor that splits the audio into attack and release components, allowing independent control for precise dynamic shaping. As you can see on the screen, it came with some interesting features. You can see over here the low, the high, the compression, the saturation, volume mix, with this on and off button to engage and disable it. So let's put it to work and hear it in action. Solo Bodhra. This is a free instrument plugin capturing the authentic sound of the Bodhra with a tailored interface and effects to blend traditional and modern styles. So let's check it out. Alright guys, that will be much we can take for today's demonstration, and I believe you had them all. Feel free to let us know what you think about these plugins when you try them out in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share your thoughts, subscribe, and most importantly turn on your bell notification for more videos like this. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.